Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see the major contents covered under Data Analysis and Visualization course. As we have seen the introduction of the data analysis and visualization, we will continue the course for the next 30 hours or 30 to 40 hours, and will give you the basics and the prerequisites for data science. Of course, the data analysis and visualizations techniques are very much useful for data science and its applications. This course majorly covers the basics of Python, Numpy library, Pandas library, operations on datasets, inferential statistics, visualization using matplotlib, seaborn, and plotly. We will also see various case studies to understand how this data analysis and visualization is applied on real-time applications. This course has 5 major objectives. These objectives are defined to give the scope for the participants to learn. To introduce the NumPy library in Python to support storage and operations on large multidimensional arrays and matrices. Secondly, the major one of the objective is to introduce large collection of mathematical functions to operate on multidimensional sequential data structures. And it is aimed to demonstrate the functionalities of the Pandas in Python, particularly on open source data analysis and manipulation. It is also aimed to demonstrate data aggregation, grouping, and time series analysis with Pandas library. Finally, it is to introduce the matplotlib library in Python for resting static, animated, and interactive visualization. These 5 objectives will focus on the essential content of data analysis and visualization. After learning through this course, the participants will be in a position to get the skills and the knowledge to efficiently store and manipulate dense data in arrays with the NumPy library. They'll be in a position to apply high-level mathematical functions to aggregate, broadcast, index, and sort multidimensional arrays. The participants will be able to create series and DataFrame objects to operate on a big datasets. They'll be in a position to perform different normalization techniques, including data cleaning, transformation, merging, aggregation on data. They will be in a position to apply 2D and 3D plotting techniques on datasets with the help of libraries like matplotlib, seaborn, plotly, and so on. This data analysis and visualization course is broadly divided into 5 modules. The module 1 will talk about use of NumPy library for effective numerical calculations and working with the multi-dimensional arrays. In detail, it includes introduction to NumPy, data types in Python, fixed types arrays particularly, creating arrays in NumPy, indexing and slicing of multi-dimensional arrays, reshaping and concatenation, splitting of these arrays, applying universal functions on one-dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays, applying aggregations and broadcasting of data by studying broadcasting rules. It also includes the comparisons, Boolean arrays, masking, fancy indexing, fast sorting techniques like sort and argsort. Sort will sort the values and then argsort will give you the indexes of sorted values. Of course, partial sorting, partitioning with the k-nearest neighbors, creating structured arrays, compound types and record arrays. These contents will be covered in module 1 of data analysis and visualization. In the module 2, we will talk about the essential functions and then features of data sets through Pandas. Like introduction to Pandas, such as creating series and DataFrame objects, indexing them, and working with them through selection. We'll also have a universal functions working on a series and DataFrame objects, like NumPy universal functions working on arrays. Similarly, we also have a certain universal functions for index preservation, index alignment, and operations between series and data frames. We'll also handle missing data, operations on null values, and hierarchical indexing. Continuing, in module 3, we will see how data sets can be combined through concatenation, appending, merging, joining, and also applying aggregation and grouping techniques. We will also implement pivot table concept of Microsoft Excel through Python and see the vectorized strings concept and its operations. We'll also work with the time series data. High performance functions will be studied, like query and eval functions will be extensively studied on data sets in module 3. In module 4, we will see the essential mathematics for data analysis like statistics. We will focus on inferential statistics and study about the different distributions, including normal distribution, Poisson distribution, Bernoulli distribution, Z-score, P-score, one-tail and two-tail test, type 1 and type 2 errors, confidence intervals, correlation, G-test and T-test, F-distribution, chi-square distribution, chi-square test of independence, ANOVA, analysis of variance, and data mining topics, the basic data mining topics like classification and clustering. We'll see how the real-time applications will use these inferential statistics, bit of probability and linear algebra for effective data analysis. We'll find the key insights of a data to take a decision, in this data analysis. We will apply these techniques on real-time applications like considering Titanic survivors dataset, Big Mart dataset, and many other real-time datasets. At last, in module 5, we will be talking about visualization of the insights using Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly libraries. Visualization with the Matplotlib covers simple line plots, scatter plots, visualizing errors, density and contour plots, histograms, binning, multiple subplots, three-dimensional plotting with Matplotlib, geographic data with the base map, which is very important for the applications where you wanted to insert the maps, and visualization with the Seaborn. And you have many other techniques to visualize the data in data analysis and visualization. But we will be limiting this course to lay the foundation for data scientists and data analysts on learning the essential requirements for data analysis and visualization. I welcome all the participants for this 30 to 40 hours program learning about data analysis and visualization, which is an essential for anyone to become proficient in analyzing the data and projecting the insights to the end user.